Hey now y'all, it's your girl Swoop coming at y'all in the big rig, coming at y'all with another video. This video is a quick video. It's an unboxing. And here we go. Okay, you know I ordered some stuff and I've had it a minute because I was waiting to do an unboxing with it. And I forgot what it is. Some stuff I remember, some stuff I don't. Yeah. That's just all it is. So we're gonna open this up, see what we got here. It feels like clothes though. I just don't know what it is and where it's from. But we soon shall see. Get it open. Got it. Oh yeah, now I remember. Okay. I got some I actually ordered some wigs, y'all. Y'all like my little short pixie cut, right? Well, I got a few different colors. I will try these on at a later date when I can get it together, but I got kind of a blonde little pixie cut. We're gonna see how that works out. Now I look as a blonde. What y'all think? How y'all think it's going? Okay, so this was my, okay. See, it's been a minute since I actually ordered this. I almost forgot about them. It's another black one, but it's gonna be like a really curly blue. Then there is, oh my goodness, y'all, this is like a gray, silver. I almost thought it was the bag, but it's actually the hair itself, y'all. Oh my goodness, okay. I did order this. I wanted to see what it was going to look like. We're going to find out what it looked like later, but this is the actual hair color, y'all. I wanted to see what gray. Child, this is almost white. I wanted to see what this is going to be like on the picture. Y'all think that's gonna look alright? I just wanted to try something different, something that is not me at all. We're gonna see how this works out, y'all. I'm excited. Okay, we gonna see. Not at this time, bro. Not here on the truck. I can put it on. Ain't no telling what it's gonna look like. But I wanna be able to get home and be able to have some hair utensils to fix it up and make it look right and see how it do. But that's what that was, y'all. I seriously forgot about this, but I'm glad it's here. Okay, now let's see. Now I already know what this is. I ordered a can of whoop ash. See what I did there? For real though, it's called Whoop Ash. It's like a oil, a cream, you know, for your body. It's gonna whoop some ash. It's actually, oh yeah, that's a nice thick cream. I found it on, I watched, what's her, Kim Whitley and Sherry Shepherd. I watched them on Two Funny Mamas, and they talked about this product. It's black owned, and they talked about this product. Okay, I see a little difference there. I like that. And that was just a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? I only put a little bit, but that's a nice little coverage right there. But we gonna see how it works out. Cause I need some more bash. Whoop some of this bash I got on my elbows and anklets and all of that. Okay. I like how that feels. Okay. We gonna work that out. I'm gonna tell y'all how it really does. If it works out, I'll let y'all. Well, y'all can check it out for yourself too. But yeah, those are two products that I got. I do remember what this one was. It was the other one that took so long, I forgot. This right here, I know what it is. Let's see, let's put a little card in here too. Whoop ash. We're gonna whoop that ash. I like this. This is so cute. A powerful daily moisturizer for the whole family. Made with honey, shea, and mango butters. So this is some good stuff for your skin. This is the website. If y'all can see that. Whoopash. It's backwards to y'all, huh? www.whoopash.com. That's what it is. That's what it is. Okay, y'all. I just had those 2 boxes. And I'm gonna have more later, but this is all I have on the truck with me right now. Just wanted to get that out of the way. Have a little something to do on the truck to show y'all. I'm coming at y'all on the truck some more too. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna call it a night. Short video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I upload some more videos. And I'll see y'all later. I want to thank y'all for popping up and showing your girl some love. Thank you.